Alright, today we're gonna start out by shooting a 50 Beowulf out of a 3D printed magazine. That's all 3D printed except for the spring. We'll see how it it's a 10 rounder. We're shooting it out of the Bear Creek Arsenal with the 80% lower. I don't know where I got that from. I drilled it out and all that myself, but don't know who the forger was that made it. Alright, now we're going to go from that into the AR-47. These are hand-loaded 7.62 by 39s, 125 grains. Pro mag. Again, that's a Bear Creek Arsenal upper that I acquired in 7.62 by 39. I was having cycling issues with it. But that was a shooting steel case. So we'll see how it does. Shooting some brass, some decent ammo, instead of some cheap surplus that I got from a buddy. These are all nicely reloaded. Alright, we'll just get to the shooting then. First up, we're going to see how this 50 Beowulf cycles with it. Homemade 3D printed magazine. See, gotta get a bit wet. Get it to stay. So he wants to come out now. So I want it to hold up on it. We'll see how she does. This gun kicks like a mule, so. I got my ears. Ooh, boy, that fucker's loud. Gotta have them babies then. Whew. See, the magazine wants to slide right out. When if you look, that's not cut out. Like that's cut out. Look at the slot for the magazine catch. I think maybe if I cut that out, it'll probably catch a lot better. Let's see if it's cycled. Yeah, it's cycled. So safety. See, the thing works its way down. Bitch. Yeah, that's enough of shooting. That's the last one anyway. kicks ran. Should have been 5 brass. There we go. Alright. Yeah, see. It's a hell of a round. Alright, now we'll see. It held up. Alright, we'll transition over now to the 7.62 by 39. This one won't kick so bad. So, see how she cycles. Like a champ. Like a champ. Put these 3 in right now. Yeah, that's very nice. I love that. Except for when you spill them yourself. Alright. Bear Creek Arsenal, 7.62 by 39. That's all I think. Dust cover. Once flop, doesn't stay locked. Build quality is very nice. It's not a billeted upper. Got the forward assist. Well put together. It's got the heavy barrel. The A2 flash hider. So there we go. Let's go take a look at the targets.